Hare Krishna, dear devotees of Lord Krishna. I take this opportunity to thank all the devotees who have subscribed to my channel and are watching my YouTube channel and watching my lectures. I take this opportunity to thank all my viewers for and subscribing to my channel and supporting my channel, and we have crossed 600 plus 616 subscribers, almost 2,90,000 views till date. So I please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and if many are devotees are coming to visit Yoga Narsimha, Yoga Anjaneya in near Sholinga Narsimha Swami temple, Tirukkadige Sholinga Narsimha temple. Many are coming. Very happy that you are all visiting Lord Narsimha Dev. Please have a safe journey during any pilgrimage places. Exclusively, I'm here. I'm warning the devotees to be very careful while traveling in vehicles, in train, bus, or whatever modes of transportation. We have seen many devotees having suffering from road accidents. One devotee in Bangalore is our god brother, Anadi Jagannath Prabhu. He met a road accident and he died in Bangalore city. Anadi Jagannath Prabhu connected with ISKCON Srisharipuram, preacher, senior most devotee. He died because of road accident, and that is in Bangalore city. Even Srinivas Shyam Prabhu is a ISKCON Hosur president. He met with the accident in Andhra Pradesh. He got injured. And also we have Neela Rani Mataji, Neela Shakti Mataji. She was connected with ISKCON Tiruvallur also. She is from Andhra Pradesh, Chittoor. So she also met accident in Tirupattur, nearby Tirupattur, Velur, and she died along with her daughter-in-law. They met an accident in the car. They died, and this is a very serious situation. We have to be very careful while driving and while traveling, because we may be safe. The person who comes nearby us, we do not know what is the situation. Many are consuming alcohol and they are driving or riding. So we have to be very careful with our people. So always wear helmet. If you are riding a two-wheeler, always wear a helmet and ride the vehicle. And when you are driving a car, wear seat belt. So follow the precaution. Whatever precautions are being given, follow that precautions. Our safety is very important. So have a safe journey. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.